Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering hidden treasures with a guide to the best metal detectors. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a seasoned treasure hunter, these metal detectors offer the sensitivity, depth, and features needed to find coins, relics, or gold. We'll be showcasing top models that provide accuracy, durability, and ease of use for all types of terrain. Ready to find the perfect metal detector for your adventures? Let's get started. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. TIANXUN MD910 Metal Detector. The TIANXUN MD910 Metal Detector is a versatile tool designed for both beginner and seasoned treasure hunters. With 5 unique modes of operation, it allows you to easily tailor your search to specific needs. The all-metal mode alerts you to any metal detected, while disc mode helps filter out unwanted items. Memory mode conveniently retains settings, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Additionally, the jewelry mode helps you focus on valuable pieces like rings and necklaces, and the pinpoint mode assists in accurately zeroing in on your target. Equipped with an intuitive LCD control panel and a backlight display, this metal detector provides detailed insights into depth, discrimination, and battery levels, allowing for efficient adjustments. The backlit screen enhances usability in low-light conditions, giving you the freedom to extend your search into the evening hours. One of the standout features is the 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, perfect for treasure hunting along beaches, streams, or gardens. Number 4. TACA 7 Metal Detector. The TACA 7 Metal Detector brings reliable functionality and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and aspiring treasure hunters. Its 3.4-inch LCD display gives you clear, real-time information on probable metal type, target depth, disc range, and battery status, allowing you to stay in control of your search. This detector offers 3 operation modes to match your needs. All-metal mode detects all types of metal, perfect for open-ended searches. Disc mode allows you to filter out specific types of metal, avoiding unwanted finds, while the P/P pinpoint mode zeroes in on the precise location of detected targets, minimizing digging time and effort. The 3-tone audio discrimination feature enhances usability by emitting different tones, high, medium, or low, based on the metal type. This means you can recognize valuable targets like silver and gold without even glancing at the display. Number 3. TIANXUN MD4090 Metal Detector. The TIANXUN MD4090 Metal Detector is a standout choice for both novice explorers and seasoned treasure hunters, offering high accuracy and a host of features that elevate your search experience. Designed with a keen focus on usability, this detector comes equipped with an LCD screen that delivers clear readings, including target identification, depth, and battery status, making it easy to navigate your treasure hunting adventures. One of the most impressive aspects of the MD4090 is its memory function. This allows you to save your preferred settings, enabling quick and hassle-free adjustments as you move from one location to another. Whether you're detecting in your backyard or on a beach expedition, this feature ensures you're always ready to find hidden treasures without starting from scratch every time. The backlit display is another standout feature, providing excellent visibility in low-light conditions. This means you can continue your hunt even as the sun sets, maximizing your search time and enhancing your chances of uncovering valuable finds. Built for professional-grade accuracy, the MD4090 excels at identifying various metals, ensuring that you know exactly what lies beneath the surface. Its adjustable settings let you fine-tune sensitivity and discrimination, allowing you to filter out unwanted items while honing in on the treasures you seek. Number 2. VEVOR Professional Rechargeable Metal Detector. The VEVOR Professional Rechargeable Metal Detector is a top-tier tool designed for avid treasure hunters seeking a reliable and efficient way to uncover hidden treasures. With its impressive 12-inch IP68 waterproof coil, this metal detector is not only capable of diving into depths of up to 10 feet, but it also performs exceptionally well in various environments. Whether you're searching along the beach, wading through rivers, or exploring rugged terrains. One of the standout features of the VEVOR detector is its adjustable handle, which can extend from 39 to 50 inches. This ergonomic design ensures comfort for users of all heights, making it accessible for both adults and younger treasure hunters alike. Number 1. TIANXUN TX850 Metal Detector. The TIANXUN TX850 Metal Detector is a powerhouse in the realm of treasure hunting, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features that cater to both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic newcomers. With a remarkable detection depth of 2.5 meters, this metal detector is specifically designed for serious underground exploration, capable of uncovering valuable metals hidden beneath the surface. Equipped with an 11-inch waterproof search coil, the TX850 allows you to venture into wet environments with confidence. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.